Well, hello fellow crafters, welcome back, and today we're going to go ahead and be doing the pockets to the album. I have cut them out already to get started, and the pockets that I am cutting out for my 8 by 8 album, mini album, is going to be 8 3/4 and 7 1/2. And I will be scoring on the 8 3/4 side, half an inch on each side. The inside pocket, which is the one that goes in here, is going to be the 7 1/2 by 7 1/2, and that's exactly what I did. These are my 8 3/4, which we will be doing the scoring together, and these are the 7 1/2 by 7 1/2. Actually, but here we are, and all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tape these pockets, and we're going to go ahead and adhere them to the inside of our hinge system, and that will make the pocket piece that we want. And I have some ideas on flip outs and stuff like that, but that's going to come in once we do these. So let's go ahead and put this paper cutting board away, and let's get our scoring one out. Now, for scoring only and no plans of cutting, I like to use my big We Are Memory Keeper scoreboard, and that's the one that I am using for this project today. Right, so we are going to be doing, so those are going to be the insides. The longer pieces are our pieces that we're going to be scoring today. These I'm going to leave them alone. I'll leave that one as also. And on your 8 3/4 side, which is this one here, okay, you're going to be scoring half an inch. For me, to keep it easy and simple, I go ahead and just flip the paper so I don't get confused. I'll get this whole half an inch on this side later. So half an inch we're going to be scoring, and that's going to be our score for the fold. And then I just take it, turn it around, half an inch again, and we're going to score them all. So here we go. And there we are. We have scored everything we were supposed to score for today. Now we're going to go ahead and put this to the side. We're going to go ahead and fold these. Now you don't want to go ahead and fold really quick. You want to take your time in massaging the paper, especially the thicker the paper, the more you want to go ahead and get them massaging into it. I like to go ahead and usually fold against this ridge. So instead of folding this way, I'm going to fold this way. And that's what I'm going to do for all the pages. Alright, so we're on the last one, and those are all done. Get your score tape. We're going to go ahead and put these together. So let's get this measurement. Where'd you go? Alright. Save that to the side just in case you want to keep your notes together. And let's go ahead and use my 1/4 inch score tape. I don't think I have a half an inch. So I'm going to use this one and just go ahead and start score taping all of your lips. These little guys. Go ahead and start doing that. Okay, so we are coming to the end, and, well, to the end of score tape. And we're going to go ahead and finish this up, and then what you're going to do is, of course, you're going to take your bone folder or your scraper or anything flat surface. You're going to go ahead and continue to flatten out your tape on each end. So do that, and then we can go ahead and start putting in the other part, the other side. Okay, so that is done. And now what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and put these in to create the pocket. So you're just going to go ahead and find the right sides, which is probably this one, and put that in there. Looks like I made this one a little, nope, it's right there. Hold it down, make sure you get it nice and straight, and grab your tape. I do mine one by one. You're going to want to go ahead and adhere that right onto there. Okay, so I do the same thing to the other side. Now that it's nice and flat, you want to go ahead, always make sure that your edges are equal. Okay, and continue to massage the paper. The thicker it is, the more time it needs, because it needs to move those fibers. Now you see it does look a little kind of warpy, and that's going to work towards your favor. Because when you stick that in there, and I don't know if I showed you guys last time, I did cut the edges, if you can see that, so I could have an entrance point with my pockets. And there you go. Okay, so what I was saying was, once you decide which side is your side, I think I'm going to choose this side. There, front, back. Like I was saying, this will work to advantage, because when you try to go and put your tape on there and everything, it's going to fit nice and flat right in there. You're just going to press it, and there's your pocket. And once all this is together and it gets squished by the rest of the pages, you're going to have a nice flat area. And of course, you're going to put your insert in there. Whatever you have decided, you're going to go ahead and put in there. I don't think this one's going to fit. But we'll go through the measurements for this one. So let's go ahead and continue building our pockets. Our score tapes. So we have all of our pockets. I made 5 to go into my album, meaning that I'm going to have 10 pages. And continue to take your pockets and just continue to massage those, make sure that they're nice and flat. I would even be putting tape, or score tape, on both ends, here and here. And then we're going to put our pockets inside. Decision is, should we put our cover paper in now or after we put our pocket? thicker than I expected. I should have gone with a thinner one, but this one's supposed to be very good. Go ahead and just go ahead, smooth your adhesive, and we're going to start with one page. I'm hoping that this is going to work because it does feel a little kind of stiff over here because we added the extra pieces of inlet paper, and those should have been a lot thinner. They should have been just paper and not the cardstock. What I'm going to go ahead is start with one. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just slip that in. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it's going to fold back and forth, so you don't want to adhere it too close. Okay. I should have brought some extra nails or something. Oh, I'm having time of my life. This is one of the things that is going to irritate me. Okay, I'm bringing the big guns out. That's it. I am not going to play with you. Okay. And then the other side. Just so you know, for beginners it doesn't go that easy, but you know what? Continue to know that you can always cover up your mistakes. And that's the one thing about handmade items. They're handmade, and brains do dysfunction. So there you go. There is our pockets, and I think this video is long enough, but there you are. And feel accomplished, feel proud of something you made with your hands. Alright, until next time.